talking about our platform and what we do in front of such a large audience in Bangladesh. And it feels more special because it feels like a homecoming. আমরা আজকে কেআইবিতে আছি, যেটা খামারবাড়িতে। মেবি আপনারা আমাদেরকে বেশি চিনেন না ফেসবুক থেকে বা অন্য কোথা থেকে। আমরা কোনো বড় স্টার্টআপ ফান্ড ওরকম পাই না, বাট খামারবাড়ি আমাদের জন্য স্পেশাল জায়গা। এখানে আমাদেরকে সবাই চিনে। আমরা এখানে খামারবাড়ির সাথে অনেক কাজ করি। We work with all the farmers here. So we started our journey in 2020 and alhamdulillah we are here today. খুবই ভালো লাগছে। So একটু share করব about our journey, and I'm very lucky that I'm continuing from where Fahad Bhai left, because I can actually show you how hands-on we can work with AI in agro. So according to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the UN FAO, every year we lose about 20 to 40% of the crops to pests and diseases. And this costs about $290 billion worth loss. It's more interesting and bad in countries like Bangladesh, where almost half the population is actually employed in agriculture. Moreover, most of the cancer patients of Bangladesh are actually farmers. And a big reason for that is a lack of knowledge. And that this is actually leading to all the issues we have due to safe food. এখন এখানে আমি আরেকটা ইন্টারেস্টিং অ্যাঙ্গেল আনবো। In this whole field, it's not only the farmers who are essential, but also a lot of the retailers who are selling products to the farmers are very essential. A lot of farmers and retailers lack essential knowledge regarding diseases and pests, regarding organic and inorganic treatments, and also regarding a lot of the products they have to use. Unlike Fair and Lovely or Energy Biscuit, যেগুলোর অ্যাড আমরা সব জায়গায় দেখি, কেউ ফার্টিলাইজারের অ্যাড বা ইনসেক্টিসাইড আর পেস্টিসাইডের অ্যাড ঠিকভাবে দেয় না। যে রিটেলাররা প্রোডাক্টগুলো সেল করতেছে ফার্মারদের কাছে, ওরাও অ্যাকচুয়ালি জানে না যে ওটাতে কি বা কোনটা ভালো হবে। Moreover, other than that, a lot of farmers are unaware of like health issues that they are prone to. And on top of that, overall, the agro industry has a huge lack of automation, whether we speak about a lot of the projects related to the ministry or any other functions available. And this is concerning because agro is a very time-sensitive industry. আমরা যদি ঠিক সময় মতো ফার্মার্স থেকে সলিউশন না দিই, আমাদের ক্রপসগুলোতে এফেক্ট হয়, and that is where actually AI comes in, where we can provide that real-time assistance to this community. So that's how we started our journey with Dr. Chashi. Actually, my family has been in agro over 50 years, and we understand the challenges over here. And that's why with Dr. Chashi, we bring Bangladesh's first AI and data-driven farming management solution to manage the diseases and pests in crops. We not only help farmers, but the whole agro stakeholder community, which includes retailers and scientists. What makes us extremely special is our data. So all the data that we use in our models for AI is fully from Bangladesh. Amra every crop season all around Bangladesh jai, amader ekta image capturing protocol follow kore image gula niye ashi for every crop, for every different stage of the crop, and all the diseases that show up at different stages of the crop, even multi-layer of diseases and insect invasion. We bring all those data back to our office, where our machine learning team uses it to program all the features that we get. So when we started our journey with Dr. Chashi, we were just an app that you could get. Even now you can get that app on Play Store. So when we started that, we saw that, okay, here user experience is what's most important. That's why we focused a lot on, okay, farmerরা কি ধরনের ডিভাইস ইউজ করতে পারে, ওরা যেন সহজে ডাউনলোড করতে পারে, বেশি যেন মেমরি না নেয়, ও কেউ যদি ইংলিশ বাংলা নাও পড়তে পারে ভয়েস দিয়ে যেন চালাতে পারে। If you go, there are a lot of apps related to agro in Bangladesh, which is pretty surprising for the general audience. But why we push through is because of the user experience that we provide. But like the user experience, আমাদের USP টা change হয়ে গিয়েছে when we emphasize a lot more on the data. Over time, all the data we gathered has enabled us to do more than what we actually planned for. Now we work with early warning. Now we can integrate our data into soil sensors. Now we can integrate our data into the drone-based hardwares that are available. So that's why as a company, we feel proud of all the scalability things that we offer for us to grow in this field and actually use our data to bring in more and more new technology in agro, whether it be hardware or software. But how do we make money though? That's a very common question that we get. So we will charge farmers, and at least for the near future, we don't plan on charging the farmers. Target audience or target customers are government organizations, international NGOs, and other businesses that work with farmers. They purchase our white label version of the software, tell us about what data or what specific parts they want to work with, and then we customize that and we provide that solution to them so that they can provide that as a service to farmers for free. And that is what we're doing now. But eventually in the future, we believe that we will be in a place as a country where the farmers can actually use the services directly through subscriptions. এটাই হচ্ছে মানে আমাদের so far journey. We are grateful that right now we have over 10,000 active users who are farmers. We have over 50 scientists, and also a few other retailers who use, and we have gathered them through organic traction and through piloting and training. We work with the Ministry of Agriculture of Bangladesh, which has been the biggest support for us. And we also work with international NGOs like the USAID that has significantly supported us in this journey. Today, I feel very grateful that I am in front of everybody here. And as we speak a lot about the youth over here and how to motivate the youth, I will again extend upon what Fahad Bhai said, that we also need to focus on the youth from the farming families. There are a lot of next generation farmers that we have to inspire, and a big way is digitalizing the farming space. And there's so much to do, trust me. I'm a software engineer by background, and interestingly, I also come from a banking background, but I used to be a software engineer at JP Morgan. I used to work specifically with Python and automation. And this is very interesting to know that Bhai from Shikho and iFarmer also come from the from the banking backgrounds as well. I wonder what banking background actually does to us. But যেটা বলবো যে আমাদের যত ডেটা আছে অনেক কাজ করার স্কোপ আছে. We all can do a lot. We all can do a lot with contributing to AI in agriculture. If you are interested, please Google us, learn more about our journey, reach out to me, and let's do something for our next generation farmers. Thank you very much.
Maiden Abu, before you leave, welcome to Coffee with Don. কোনো gift hamper নাই অবশ্য. আমি just একটু জানতে চাচ্ছিলাম, how was your experience meeting the Prime Minister and getting that award from her? মানে আমরা তো মিট করতে পারি নাই, এখন উনার গল্পটা শুনেই যদি একটু ফিল পাওয়া যায় তো I seriously